Now, if there is both double and triple bonds in the same compound, then what do? Then you have to choose the longest continuous chain, which includes all of them. You have to include all the double and triple bonds in the longest continuous chain, and that will be the parent. And then the numbering and naming will follow the same rules as above. And because whether it is double and triple or triple and triple or double, it doesn't matter that you have to give maybe double the smaller number and triple the higher number. No, it can just be either double or triple. Just give the way that it gets the lowest possible numbers for anyone. Okay, so here let us just name these 4 examples. So here longest chain, of course, it is easy in all these cases. So we will just number them. So here I can number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, or I can number it in the red as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here when I go from left to right according to the black numbering, double bond will be 1 and a triple bond will be 5. Whereas if I go in the red way of numbering, double bond will be 5 and a triple bond will be 1. So the number from left to right or right to left will give the same 1 and 5. Therefore, we can choose the double bond to have the smaller number. Not because it is higher in priority, it's just that both of them get the same number. Therefore, we can name it like this. So this is a hex, and there is a double bond at position 1. So 1 ene and then 5 ine. So hex 1 ene 5 ine. When you have a double and a triple bond together, this is the way we name. We give the prefixes of the corresponding numbers before the en or the yne. Let us look at this one now. So here again, the numbering can be from here. So longest chain, continuous chain containing both of them are already easy to know because there are no branches. And if I take left to right, this will be the numbering. And if I take right to left, the numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now here, if I go from right to left, the red way, the numbers will be 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4. And for black one, the numbers will be 2 and 5. So the complete name is hex four ene 1 ine. So why is it written like that? We have to write E before Y alphabetically, but we chose the numbers, the red numbers, because those give the smaller numbers 1 and 4. So it's not necessary that I have to write 1 ine 4 ene. In fact, it is correct to write 4 ene first because E is alphabetically before Y. So hex 4 ene Y 1 ine. That is the correct name of the second compound. Now let us look at the third one, which has got 2 double bonds and 1 triple bond, and let us see how we can number those. Now here the numbering has to start from this end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and also from the other end, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which is the better numbering. If we take the orange numbering, the numbers for the double and triple bonds will be for the orange one it will be 1, 3 and 5, and for the black numbering it will be 1, 3 and 5. So here both sides give the same number, so we can choose either one. So in this case I will choose the black one because En is alphabetically before Yne. So then we can write the number as well as the alphabet in the order of numbers. So here the complete name of this compound again, it's going to be, of course it's going to be hex, because 6 carbons, and then we have double bonds at position 1 and 3, and there are 2 of them, so that will be di-ene, okay, di-ene, and the triple bond is at position 5, so it will be 5-yne. So how am I going to write? Hex 1,3 di-ene 5-ine. So that will be the complete name of this compound, the third one. And then the last one here, again the chain is easy to identify because there are only 2 possibilities, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It could go this way also, it's still 7, so you can choose either one, it's okay. So I'm going to choose the horizontal one, and then the numbering in this way, the green numbering gives the numbers 1 to the double bond and 4 to the triple bond. If I number it in the opposite way, that means it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now the numbers will be 3 for the triple bond, 1, 2, 3, and 6 for the double bond. So 1 and 4 are better. Therefore, I go for the green numbering. And then 1 is the double bond also. So here the name of the compound is going to be, again, hept is the parent name, heptane. And I will put 1-ene because double bond at position 1 and 4-ine. So what do we have to think about when we are naming these? We have to take the longest chain which contains all the double and triple bonds, and then choose the longest chain and then number in such a way that the smallest possible numbers are taken. It doesn't matter whether double or triple bond is getting the smaller number. That's not an issue here. It's just that altogether we should have the smallest possible numbers. And then when we write, we have to write en before yne alphabetically, but the numbers will be as we got the lowest possible numbers. Lastly, we have to also put the methyl group. There is a substituent here for this compound at position next to the triple bond. We have at position 6 there is a methyl group. Okay, so we need to include that also to finalize the name completely. So we have to put 6-methyl hept 1-ene 4-ine, and that's the complete name. Thank you.